Hi, it's Doug here from Lost and Forged. I want to show you how to use a pair of my twisted fork silver candlesticks. I make each piece from a whole oversized continental European dinner fork. You can see I sculpt the tines into this sort of heart shape or tree root shape base. And I make each one hold a 3/4 inch base candle. If you want a different width, tell me, and I can make it to hold a different width candle. To put the candle in, you wedge it in snugly, and I try to make sure that each one can snugly hold a candle. But you can't just, it's not made to just set the candle inside, that won't hold it, but you have to kind of push the candle into there. Then it's going to have a tight fit, and it shouldn't come out. Now, I'll do the other one too. In this case, we have a nice pair. The only thing to remember once the candle is ready is if you're going to actually light the candle, when you burn the candle, you want to set this on something where where hot wax drips are not going to hurt the surface. Don't do this on a nicely finished wood table surface if you don't want to get hot wax on that. So put some tin foil under it, put a plate under it, something like that, or put it on a surface where you don't mind wax dripping on it. So that's it. My twisted fork silver candlesticks. If you need any help with them, please contact me. You can always find me through my website, lostandforged.com. Enjoy!